What's the meaning of assembly room? Assembly room. Assembly room.
Assembly room. Assembly room. An assembly room is a dedicated space within a building or facility used for meetings, presentations, and other group activities. It is typically designed to accommodate a large number of people and may be equipped with audiovisual equipment and other necessary amenities. Assembly rooms are often used for events such as conferences, lectures, training sessions, and performances. They provide a comfortable and professional environment for attendees to gather and participate in various activities. Overall, an assembly room is a versatile and essential space for hosting a wide range of group events and activities.